Hey everyone! So you want to create jaw-dropping and stunning AI-generated images in seconds, and also completely free and unlimited. Yes, so today I'm thrilled to show and explain you an incredible AI tool, Raphael AI, the world's first unlimited free AI image generator. It is powered by Flux.1 Dev, no login and no limits, just pure creativity. And so let's dive in and see how it works. So you can open Raphael.app in your browser, and here you can see, as I told you, you can create stunning AI generated images in seconds. And everything I told you, like it is powered by Flux.1 Dev, 100% free, no login required, and unlimited generations. And here you can see description prompt. So here, what do you want to see? So here you can type here, for instance, we will type here a futuristic city in the middle of the jungle with glowing neon trees and flying cars. Some options like square aspect, if you want, you can use this, tall aspect, or, which one you like, you can choose. No style, no color. If you want like style, digital art, or line art, so you can mention no color, no lighting. So by default, what options are there, we will select them. And negative prompt if you want to turn, or high quality if you want, you can, but I will don't turn on these and just click on generate. So this is completing the verification process, and within few seconds you can see it is generating even few options. So you can see estimated time like 20 seconds. So we need to wait. Amazing. You can see one result has been generated, and this is a futuristic city in the middle of the jungle with glowing neon trees, you can see, and also flying cars. Amazing. See, it's generating result, you can see. Amazing. See, and this city you can see in the middle of the jungle, and trees are also glowing, you can see. Amazing. And here some bridge type also you can see. Amazing. See, and you can see here. So if you want to download it, so you can download it from here, and once you open it, so you can see it's amazing, and even without watermark. See, perfect. And now we try some more, prompts here. So for example, I type here a majestic white tiger with glowing blue eyes standing in an enchanted forest. So you can see when we click generate, so it is verifying, and once it verifies, it will give you the results. So AI generated images will be ready. Wow, amazing. So you can see white tiger with glowing blue eyes. See, a white tiger, majestic white tiger with glowing blue eyes standing in an enchanted forest. Amazing, fabulous. Oof, wow. So whatever we have in our mind, we can instantly generate. See, amazing. Wow, simply wow. See, you can see there are few results, and these are amazing. Same thing, you can, if you want to download, you can click here and it will download. And if you open it, so you can see it. You can see this is also without watermark. Amazing. Now let's try some also, for example, other prompts like a fantasy desert with giant crystal formations and a spaceship landing nearby. If we click on generate, and this time you will see amazing. Wow, a fantasy desert with giant crystal formations and a spaceship also landing here nearby. You can see. Amazing. This is incredible too. And the main important thing, it's free, unlimited generations, amazing, fabulous. See, amazing. So which one you want to download, you can download from here, as I told you. You can also click on refine, and once you click on refine, so it is refining image. See, it is refined, so it's in beta, you can see. So now one more, for example, a person walking on a tight rope between two planets with a cosmic backdrop. And click on generate. You can see it's very fast, so you can save your time and you can generate amazing images. Wow. A person, you can see her walking on a tightrope between two planets, yes, from here to there. And it's also with a cosmic backdrop. Amazing. You can see. So it's amazing. And you can build easily, as I told you, AI generated images. You can see here some examples also from the different creators, and you can get inspired with them also. So it's amazing. So you can generate whatever you want here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also share the video with your friends. And also press the bell icon so you will get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.